Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Amazon Prime membership account to enjoy all benefits, including free shipping and streaming services, follow these simple step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit Amazon.com and log into your Amazon account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, create one before signing up for Prime. Step 2. Navigate to the Prime membership section by hovering over Account and Lists and selecting Prime membership from the drop-down menu. Step 3. If you haven't signed up for Prime yet, click Start your 30-day free trial or Join Prime to begin the membership registration process. Step 4. Verify your email address by checking for a confirmation email from Amazon. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your email address is valid. Step 5. Enter a valid payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or bank account, to set up your Prime membership billing. Amazon requires payment information even for free trials. Step 6. Review the Prime membership terms, including the monthly or annual fee, trial period details, and renewal information. Make sure you understand the billing cycle. Step 7. Confirm your Prime membership by clicking Start your Prime membership or completing the checkout process. Your membership activates immediately upon confirmation. Step 8. Check your email for a welcome message from Amazon Prime confirming your membership is active and providing information about Prime benefits. Step 9. Verify your membership status by returning to your Amazon account and checking the Prime membership section where you should see your active membership details and benefits. Step 10. Start enjoying Prime benefits including free 2-day shipping, Prime video streaming, Prime music, and exclusive deals. Download the Amazon app to access Prime features on mobile devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.